Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C63 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening the list of contacts and finding the contact which you'd like to edit. So you can use the dialer, just tap on it, go to your contacts and find the contact. So let me choose maybe, I don't know, maybe this one. Just tap on the specific one and then tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon. Now you can either tap on add picture or simply the circle, it's totally up to you. Just tap on it and here we will be transferred to different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So here we've got device photos, we can enter our own gallery or open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos, so basically we've got our backdrop photos and illustrations which are free of charge and they are available online. So this is quite a nice option if you do not have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. So I will choose something from those options. Let me choose maybe this frog. So just mark the option. Here we've got the preset, so we can change the colors. Right. We can also zoom in or out the photo, change the position of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose. Now tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact actually will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.